Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. In this video, we are going to study example number 2. This is word problem of practice set 1.5 of chapter 1, linear equations in two variable. Let's see the example. Here only one figure is given, that is of rectangle. It is given here. I am a rectangle. And here lengths of their sides is given. Here 2x plus y plus 8. Opposite of this is 4x minus y. Here x plus 4, opposite is this 2y. Find the values of x and y. Also find my perimeter and area, means these rectangles. Before finding perimeter and area, we have to find x and y values, and for that, though example is in word problem, but direct condition is given in the form of figure. Now here we have to use the property of sides of rectangle. Now you know what is the property of opposite sides of rectangle? Property is that opposite sides of rectangle are equal or congruent, right? By that property, here this side is equal to this. These are two opposite sides, and this is equal to this. These are also opposite. Lengths and breadths. These are two lengths equal. These are two breadths are equal. These two conditions we will use here. Now let's start. In solution, I draw again figure. For our convenience, I give here name ABCD. Length of AB is given there, 2x plus y plus 8. Here opposite of this is CD, 4x minus y. AB is equal to CD. Here is x plus 4 and its opposite is 2y, AD. And now let's start here. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. It is given in example. It is rectangle. Right? Now we know opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Which are opposite sides? AB and CD. This we will take now. First condition now. By the first condition about length. About lengths. Lengths are equal. AB is equal to DC. Right? AB is equal to DC. Why are they equal? Because they are opposite sides. I write here opposite sides of rectangle. That's why AB is equal to DC. Now put their lengths. AB 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to DC. What is length of DC? It is also given 4x minus y. Now convert that into a standard form. 2x, bring these two terms here, minus 4x, sign will change. Here plus y, bring that minus y also here, is equal to, and send this plus 8 there, minus 8. Now solve this. 2x minus 4x minus 2x plus y plus 2y is equal to minus 8. We can write this equation in simple form. Simple means divide by 2 here. Divide by 2, we get minus x plus y is equal to minus 4. And here we got equation number 1. Now here by first condition we got first equation. Now second condition is about breadth. Means again opposite sides. By the second condition is about their breadths, means opposite sides only, but AD and BC. AD is equal to BC. These are also opposite sides of rectangle. Now their values. AD is 2y is equal to BC is x plus 4. Now again transfer, bring minus x here, plus x here, minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. Equation number 2. Equation 1 is here, equation 2 is here. Now we have to solve equation 1 and 2. we get value of x and y. One of the value we get from that. Now equation 1 I write here down to this. Minus x plus y is equal to minus 4. This is equation number 1. Now see dear friends, here already x coefficients are same. Signs are same. We have to subtract. Then sign change. Signs of second equation will change. And now this plus minus x cancel. 2y minus y, we get value of y directly. 4 plus 4, 8. Value of y is 8. Now put this value in equation 1 or 2 to find the value of x. In any equation you can put y is equal to 8 in equation 1 I take. 1 is here. Minus x plus y is equal to minus 4. Minus x plus value of y is 8 is equal to minus 4. Now transfer order. Minus x is equal to minus 4 minus 8. Minus x is equal to minus 12 and therefore x is equal to 12. Here is x value. First answer we got values of x and y. Now we want perimeter and area. Dear friends, we got the values of x and y. Now we want perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. What is formula to find perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter means sum of all sides. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. Right? For that we have to find length. Therefore, first let's find length and breadth. Length is equal to, take any value, this and this, both are length only. I take this, easy no? That's why. 4x minus y. Now find out length value. 4 multiplied by length is 12 we got, and this is y 8 is equal to, now here solve this value. 48 minus 8 is equal to 40. Unit is not given, that's why no need to write. If you want to give, write unit only. Okay, this is the length. And breadth is equal to, breadth is this or this, any you can take. I take this for easy calculation. 2 multiplied by y value is 8, means 16 unit. Length breadth values we got. Now let's find perimeter. Therefore, perimeter is equal to, formula is 2l plus 2b. 2 length plus 2 breadth. Now put here values again. 2 multiplied by length we got 40 plus 2 multiplied by breadth we got 16. Now multiply. First product. 42s are 80 plus 16 2s are 32. Now here answer is 112 perimeter unit. 112 units. Okay, perimeter. Now again one more value, that is to find area. And area is equal to area of rectangle. That formula also you know. What is formula? L into B. Length into breadth. That is the area of rectangle. Again length 40 multiplied by breadth 16. 16 4s are 64 and this 0, and unit of is square unit. Unit of area, square unit. In this way we got both the values.